Hi! In front of me is TCL 406, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access, Security and Biometrics. Then click on Screen Lock and tap on one of those lock-on methods that you wish to apply: pattern, PIN or password. Now create it. Click on Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Finally, answer this question by tapping on one of those options. When your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last option, so when I tap and click on Done, I can finally switch off my screen and turn it back on to see if pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!